timely conversation on immigration took center stage in Clark Summit tonight. Community leaders, advocates, and neighbors gathered to talk about immigration policy and its impact on the region. Good evening, I'm Ann Laree.
And I'm Aaron Leedy. Experts weighed in on research that combats the current political climate. Fox 56's Elizabeth Hakis was there for the discussion and is live with the details. Elizabeth.
That's right, guys. Organizers say that tonight's discussion was all about encouraging voters and educating them on key topics ahead of Election Day. Now, tonight's discussion was all about immigration. Inside the meeting space, members of the community filled the room for an open conversation on immigration. The event was hosted by Defenders of Democracy, the Abington Democrats, and the Lackawanna County Federation of Democratic Women. The featured guest, Dr. Zeke Hernandez, a professor at the Wharton School and author of The Truth About Immigration, shared evidence from his research.
And the truth is that immigrants don't need your fear nor your pity. Immigrants are good for us. So if I had one message, it would be just realizing that immigrants are good for us. That is, we need them just as much as they need to be here, and it's a win-win situation.
Organizers say hosting the discussion was about more than just facts. It was also about making sure voters are informed when it comes time to cast their ballot.
It's also important to understand that we did try to find somebody who could speak for that part of our community, and we didn't find anyone who was willing to step forward. So there's a certain amount of fear out there, which I don't think is healthy within our community or anyplace else.
That fear is one reason why leaders say this conversation is so urgent.
I mean, if you look at some of the things that have been occurring, I mean, people are terrified in their communities. You know, the way people have just been taken off the streets, taken from their places of work. And I think the critical thing is that we want to ensure that, you know, our immigrant population is not demonized and dehumanized the way they have been.
Community members also expressed their desire to do more.
There are many of us who would like to support them and help them, but we're not sure how to do that. We're not sure how to help them or what we can do to make it easier for them to be part of our community because, as Sandy said, they're afraid, they're fearful, and I certainly understand why.
While organizers stressed this wasn't a political rally, they hope tonight's event will spark engagement and understanding and voter turnout. Live in Lackawanna County, I'm Elizabeth Hakis with Fox 56 News, First at 10.